This is the National Weather Service office in Blacksburg, Virginia. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA weather radio station WXL 92 public warning system. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA weather radio station WXL 92 public warning system. During the news weather situations, are normally conducted by the National Weather Service around noon each Wednesday, except for the first Wednesday of the month when it is conducted around 7 p.m. If there is any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service, counties in the Blacksburg County warning area in Virginia: Amherst, Appomattox, Bedford, Buckingham, Campbell, Charlotte, Halifax, and Rockbridge. Also included are the independent cities of Buena Vista, Lexington, and Lynchburg. In addition, we also broadcast short-fused products for Prince Edward County in Virginia. This has been also included already in the short-fused products for the following West Virginia, Lexington, Martinsville. The following counties are included in return to Hannibal as well. This has been a test of the NOAA weather radio warning device. We now return to normal programming. Now for the national. Now for the National Weather Service for the Roanoke and.
You're late. You're half an hour late. Nice job.